In this quick video, I'll show you how to fold down the rear seats of your Camry 2002 to 2006. So the first thing you need to do is obviously to have some space to fold them down, remove everything that is on the bench. And you're gonna notice there's these small prongs coming out from the middle of the seat. All you have to do is to take your hand and pull them until you see the red part and then bring them down like this. Do the same thing with the other one. Pull up and then bring them down, and this is it. Make sure that the seats in the front are not in the way. This way you'll be able to fold them down completely. And now, as you see, you have a lot more space if you want to put a TV or something else. Now, to put them back, you just need to bring them the same way, in the same position they were, and the latch should clip by itself. If you do not see the color red on the latch, it means that everything is locked in place.